Hey guys, it's Leon. Today we got ourselves a Hover-1 Helix. I'm going to unbox this thing today and then I'm gonna go outside and show you guys how easy it is to learn how to ride one of these. This is my first time ever, but I'm gonna do it. That's right. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing. I'm so excited about this because my use case for this is actually holding a camera rig and using this to smooth everything out as I'm filming. That's kind of my use case for something like this. And so I can't wait to get this thing going. So let's see what we got here. I believe this is a charger. I have a similar one for my electric scooters. This thing is actually pretty heavy, guys. I thought it'd be a lot lighter just from looking at the picture, but these things are not light at all, which is good, by the way. You don't want something to be super light and it breaks on you. So anyway, these hoverboards are like a dime a dozen, guys. There's tons of them out there, tons of them. Some comes with big old tires, all terrain and all that good stuff. This one right here is the most middle of the road one that I could find. One, my requirement was that it's got to be, you've got to be able to ride it outside, not just indoor. And so if you look at these tires right here, look at this. Pretty big tires. This Hover-1 Helix right here is 160 pounds. It can go like 3 miles. So the other reason why I got the Hover-1 is because they also sell an add-on where it turns it into a go-kart. And that's also the reason why I got this thing, is because they just match with the same brand. So that is coming in the mail. I'm still waiting for that. So on top of all the features that you get on here, it does have LED lights, which is super cool for the kids. And then at the same time, it has a Bluetooth speaker as well, so I can jam while I'm driving down the road. Okay, so anyway, let's plug this thing in, charge it, and then play with this thing. All right, let's do it.
Paired.
Okay, so one thing for sure here is that it is very hard to go over little bumps, like even my kitchen right here. This little bump right here, there's no way it can go over it. Yeah, there's no way that it can go over that. So I would say only like smooth floor that you can use this thing on. Don't try to ride it out on the street or anything like that. I don't think it'll work, all right? But yeah, other than that, pretty good. The Bluetooth actually works very well. It connects right away when I turn it off and on. Control-wise, it's very easy, very easy. I charged it up and it has little lights and everything. You can see there. Just ignore my feet. But yeah, speaker works really well. But I wouldn't go over this little bump. Yeah, it wouldn't do it. So just an FYI. So in terms of getting off and on, it's kind of a trust thing that you have to have with this thing. once you put your first foot on there, it kind of move a little bit. It is scary. Yeah, it is kind of scary. But it's one of those things where, look, if you're looking at this thing is actually balanced right now. See that? It's balanced right now. So as soon as I put it on, I gotta jump the other feet right away. And then getting off is same thing. It's gotta be quick, jumping off and on. The one thing I do notice though is that the ones that has, that's the front and that's the back right there. I'm not sure if you step it backward, if that makes any difference, but so there, yeah. So there you have it. Within like 5 minutes, I'm able to know how to like control this thing already. I'm a little shaky still, not an expert yet, but yeah, pretty easy.